Number 4. Worx WX240L Cordless Screwdriver. If you're in the market for the best inline grip battery screwdriver, then the Worx WX240L is the tool for you. This cordless screwdriver features an inline grip design that makes it incredibly comfortable to hold and maneuver, even in tight spaces. One of the standout features of this electric screwdriver is the 3 different torque settings it offers. Whether you're reversing screws, driving small fasteners, or tackling larger projects, the Worx WX240L has got you covered. The top speed of 300 revolutions per minute ensures you can work efficiently and quickly. The battery life indicator is a convenient feature, and with a runtime of 45 minutes, you won't have to worry about constantly recharging. The included assortment of bits allows you to tackle a wide range of projects, from electronics to everyday household tasks. What sets the Worx WX240L apart from its competitors is the attention to detail in its design and the quality of the materials used. The built-in work light is especially helpful when working in dimly lit areas, and the USB rechargeable battery is a convenient touch. One minor downside is that the screwdriver could benefit from a more powerful motor for heavier duty tasks, but for the average homeowner or DIY enthusiast, this won't be a major issue. Overall, the Worx WX240L is a versatile and reliable cordless screwdriver that offers excellent value for money. If you're looking for a tool that is comfortable to use, powerful, and comes with a great assortment of bits, then look no further than the Worx WX240L. Check it out and see for yourself. Still searching for the perfect battery screwdriver? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.